Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we're going to be looking at some impressive and powerful machines from across the world. Make sure to stick around to see what an 8-axle crane can do. First up, we have the TELEDIPPER arm. It is 30 meters long and can be used on a 35-ton excavator with a 1.5 cubic meter bucket. These are specifically designed for construction works where a depth reach of around 140 feet is required. The arm has hydraulic support and slide rollers for telescopic features. A camera mounted on the arm aids in the operation's execution. Almost every construction project starts with soil compaction, but this sometimes causes cracks in nearby walls and floors. To solve this problem, the SBV was devised with a unique directional vibratory mechanism. Its vibratory forces only impact in the vertical direction. They proved it by putting a water glass nearby and applying a 160 kN compression force at a rate of 70 Hz. You can see the results for yourself. Deep-driven piles are the basic foundations that hold large building structures. The heads of piles are cropped to join the upper structures of the building. This process is simply known as pile cropping. For such a task, the SV400 is nearly ideal. It takes power from the hydraulic pump of a mounted backhoe or full revolving excavator. Its inner part has 4 drills that break the square-shaped piles from all sides. This monstrous machine is actually quite surgical in nature. Its robust nibbler with sharp teeth can tear up and pull out any vehicle component, whereas its clamp arm can be moved vertically to grip more firmly. Both the bucket cylinder and arm cylinder are reinforced to withstand high loads. Boom and arm cylinders have holding valves for additional safety. It's simple to use, powerful at work, and stands out while dismantling. You're now looking at a 5-meter long chain tool which is quite similar to a trencher. However, it is designed for soil stabilization. It mixes concrete and injects that into the soil to create a homogeneous and frost-resistant soil cement structure. This injection can be used with any excavator weighing 35 to 50 tons. Next, the T555 Commander 3 is built to cut through tough ground conditions. Its rock wheel is designed to dig 36-inch deep trenches for highway lighting, fiber installation, and rock applications. More attachments with different sizes can be used, including several bucket wheels, rock wheels, and other trenching tools of different sizes. You are now looking at the track switch laying system. It consists of a number of moving trolleys and PEM gantries. The trolleys are used to transport precast slabs to work sites via rail tracks. Using crawling systems, these trolleys can also run on untracked areas while keeping the height of load at the same level, whereas PEM gantries help in positioning down track accurately. The LTM 1650-8.1 that you are watching is a mobile crane, has 8 axles, has a 263-foot telescopic boom, and 770 US ton loading capacity. Compared to standard cranes, this beast can quickly be taken to a job site. Using a remote control, the operator can put it on its outriggers. All the components are automatically movable, which saves time and effort. Generally, this crane starts operation within an hour or two. The SVETRUCK TMF 32/22 is a powerful log stacker that is surprisingly simple to use. Grapple sizes range from 8 to 9.5 square meters. It has 360-degree rotation and has unmatched accuracy while rotating longitudinally. The machine has been developed to offer an optimal work environment for the operator, while also promoting high production capacity. The overarching goal in its design has been supreme safety for its operators and to maximize efficiency for the duration of their shift. The M650M Turbo Mulcher is designed for medium-heavy forest work. It has a unique turbo clutch for increased protection and is intended for carrier vehicles with a horsepower range of 200 to 400. Its turbo clutch regulates power peaks and preserves the carrier vehicles and mulcher's drive systems. Its power transmission operates at its highest capacity using a toothed V-belt. Proven rotor technology ensures the highest possible shredding quality and mulching outcomes. Next up, we have a super log splitter that allows you to split huge logs in no time at all. It pushes the log with a 76-ton force, while the splitting wedge cuts down the log into manageable pieces. The unit can be controlled via remote, and it can be powered using a 91 horsepower engine. The super splitter is simple, powerful, and efficient. Lastly, we'd like you to meet the LITTERMASTER 6000. It is a vacuum system mounted on a vehicle equipped with a 500-liter trash container. It is capable of quickly vacuuming a variety of items, including scattered soft drink cans, plastic bottles, and paper and plastic containers. The device is powered by an 18 horsepower petrol engine and has a no-contact impeller vacuum mechanism, making it very simple to use and powerful at the same time. Hey guys, thanks for watching and we really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any thoughts about what you just watched or have ideas for future videos, comment them down below. If you enjoyed what you just saw, feel free to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell too. Thanks for watching and we hope to catch you next time.